Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up time in your LG AC remote. First, ensure your remote has fresh batteries and is within range of your AC unit. Locate the Set/Clear or Funk button, as these are key for adjusting the time. Having these ready will make the process smooth and quick. We'll go through each step together, making it simple to get your remote's clock accurate. To begin setting the time, press and hold the Set/Clear button for a few seconds. If your remote has a Funk button, you might need to press it repeatedly until Time appears on the display. Once you're in the correct mode, the time shown on your remote screen will start flashing, indicating it's ready for adjustment. Now that the time is flashing, use the temperature up and down arrows to set the correct hour. After the hour is set, press the Set/Clear or Funk button again to move to the minute setting. You can then use the same up and down arrows to adjust the minutes. Take your time to ensure both the hour and minute are accurate. Once you have set both the hour and the minutes, press the Set/Clear button one final time. This action saves your new time setting. The time display on your remote will stop flashing, confirming that the time has been successfully updated. Always double-check the display to ensure the time is now correct and ready for use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.